According to reports, Bollywood heartthrob Ranbir Kapoor has been approached to play Lord Ram in filmmaker Nitesh Tiwari's Ramayan. Reportedly, Ranbir, who is currently shooting for Love Ranjan's untitled romantic comedy with Shraddha Kapoor, has shown his interest in the mythological project, where he will be seen as Lord Ram opposite Hrithik Roshan's character Ravan. Apparently, Nitesh Tiwari believes that Ranbir Kapoor perfectly fits the bill as he has that charming presence. On the other hand, Ranbir is also thrilled about this offer and will take a call after the full narration. Let's see if Ranbir will give his nod for the project or not. For the uninitiated, some time back there were reports that Mahesh Babu and Hrithik Roshan would play the leads Ram and Ravan respectively in Nitesh Tiwari's 3D Ramayan. However, soon after Mahesh's name was associated with the film, it was revealed that the Telugu superstar had turned it down in favor of an ambitious S.S. Rajmouli's upcoming film. Actor Vicky Kaushal's one of the most anticipated films, The Immortal Ashwathama, has been put on hold owing to the pandemic and several other factors. Apparently, for this superhero film with a twist of mythology, Vicky was working hard in the gym, beefing up his body and even learning archery and horse riding. While he has put his sweat and blood into it already even before the shoot could begin, we hear the film is shelved and the reason behind it, the budget constraints. Reportedly, the sci-fi and superhero flick The Immortal Ashwathama has a huge budget and owing to the current times, the film seems to be difficult to kickstart. Now Vicky Kaushal's focus is on Mr. Lele and Sam Bahadur. Apart from his film projects, Vicky is also getting a lot of attention for his alleged relationship with Katrina Kaif. Just a few days ago, there were reports that the rumored couple secretly get engaged. However, the reports turned out to be false.